I just finished this gorgeous vintage Reuge double singing birdcage. And this was made in 1969. Absolutely wonderful condition. What's exceptionally nice are the birds. The original feathers are in very, very nice condition without any fading. The bluebird is wonderful, and so is the red. If you just look at the color scheme and the condition of the feathers, it's remarkable. So I took everything apart. This mechanism has been fully serviced. Let's watch it play, and we'll start off on the pause feature. There's a nice long pause, indicating that the bellows and mechanism work exactly as they should. Still waiting. This is a good sign. So a very, very long pause. I'm going to switch to continuous. So the birds animate flawlessly, singing with full voice, yet the mechanism runs smoothly and quietly. Do a full 360. An absolutely wonderful Reuge singing birdcage in excellent condition. I'm going to turn it off. Bear with me here. Holding the camera. And then that's the air escaping through the whistle, as it should. So in summary, a vintage 1969 Reuge double singing birdcage in excellent, fully serviced condition. Take care.